Going through this time. Oh, you bastard.
Would it stop you out?
No, I saw the price flash on my price. It didn't pick up the order and go. Oh well. It was probably at 25,005.87 or something like that. It didn't make it to 75. Well, Chris, obviously the VWAP Bounce worked, and then VWAP Scalp, which was a back test of the RTH point of control, worked on NQ. Now we've pushed up above value area high. And we're coming back to the same. Its pivot R1 is up there at 25,027. I looked at it as a back test of value area high and then actually breaking through this level on its way up with a target of monthly VWAP at 25,065.
Yeah, sure seems like it wants a grind up there, but I think this
just
thing
hitting
can
this
drop.
resistance. ES is at monthly VWAP, and the pivot R1 is right there at 69.10.50. So it's there's some junk in the way that it's got to chew through. We're just above a composite low volume node. It seems like it wants higher, but could it shoot down and reject? And
yes,
the sellers defend. Whoosh!
This is
it
still
could be a big
theoretically a value area high zone.
Yeah.
You know, we're really testing the upside of the value we've built for the last week. So this is going to be key. Did we test the naked point of control? Almost. It's actually 87 on NinjaTrader, so pretty much we touched that naked point of control right there.
Fun fact, we did that. Tariff news came up and just about bounced to the tick off the lower band of the anchored VWAP from all-time highs on NASDAQ.
Interesting. Interesting that you're even monitoring that.
I'd leave it on my 15-minute chart. I don't have much on the 15-minute chart except for the quarterly and some like the NVIDIA sell-off after they had their last earnings released in November. Anchor VWAP from that engulfing low. R1 held. That was a rejection point.
See? Or what I'd be fair. I mean, if you weren't long from down here, you really don't want to be buying up here. Not a great spot to go long. The risk to reward is not ideal.
Now we do have the weekly upper band and the session upper band right together there. Same for ES. But if you look at the RSI tool on the 2-minute, I mean, we're right at the top of that value area high gray zone. The setup is a short.
As we seek clarity on the steps they intend to take in response to this ruling. Currently analyzing the SCOTUS ruling.
Oh, that was a VWAP bounce on the 5-minute. Would you look at that? Both did of them. There it goes. Pull back long. Yeah, I agree, Francisco. if you've listened to me, I think it's the greatest thing since sliced bread.
I love sliced bread.
Yeah. I like European sliced bread over American sliced bread.
French.
Bostic says lowering inflation to 2% will allow the policy rate to decline.
As usual. Way to go, Andy. Great, Jeff. Give me more shit to do. I gotta make my own bread.
My wife makes my bread.
Yeah. Hey, that was a good target, Andy. Worked out really, really well. It's a good question, Blake. I mean, it's not really price discovery, but it's a continuation move. Backtest long. Now we got the band touch.
Trump says SCOTUS ruling is a
But Delta
disgrace.
does not look supportive of that.
CNN says the SCOTUS ruling is a disgrace.
It is. After it got ran through on the news.
But the CNN reporter citing Trump comments at the White House. Trump says he has a backup plan for tariffs after the ruling.
Is anybody else's Tradovate not working?
I haven't pressed any buttons recently.
What the hell?
CNN reporter on X says Trump commented on the SCOTUS striking down his tariffs while inside the White House breakfast with governors this morning. Again, calling it a disgrace. That he told those gathered that he does have a backup.
Have you tried placing an order, Nate? Not just seeing it move. It's the orders.
Yep.
Okay.
And we have an IB. And we have Trump
What is
says,
going
I have a
on?
backup plan. So there's your answer, Logger. Trump's got a backup plan.
I don't understand. There we go.
This would only apply to IEEPA tariffs. Bostic is talking too. Logger will take that conversation at a later time.
Six says it's hard to know the fallout from the Supreme Court ruling on tariffs. It hinges on issues like the need for rebates and how firms react.
Back to VWAP.
Six says Supreme Court ruling will raise questions about whether new supply pricing standards remain or what shift back.
On its way. Quick little almost 100 points.
It says another question is whether the administration has other ways to impose the same tariffs or is constrained.
Happens very often, Alicat. I know the feeling.
Coming down again. Big ass wick on the hourly. I think that's the technical term as well. Big ass wick.
BAW.
The government on the SCOTUS ruling on tariffs says this is a matter for the US to determine, but we will continue to support UK businesses as further details are announced. UK government on SCOTUS ruling says under any scenario, we expect our privileged trading position with the US to continue.
Back to IB mid for ES.
Kind of back tested that support area on ES, the one that was holding for the last 6 minutes.
Six says I think neutral is perhaps a quarter to half a percentage point below the current policy rate. The topic saying Fed policy is 25 to 50 basis points above neutral.
It's an interesting, Francisco, it's interesting, but it doesn't take into account anything other than, it doesn't take into account the market conditions whatsoever. It's assuming there's a ranging condition.
Six says I expect GDP growth of 3.4% in 2026 and 2.1% in 2027, then to return to trend in 2028.
It's the point of control here.
On your Ninja?
No, on TradingView. I'm watching ES. Sorry.
I don't have it on ES either. Mine's still at 68.70.
It's interesting. What time frame you on?
2?
Huh. It's odd. Point of control. What is your point of control on ES?
68.70.
That's way down here. Look at the volume profile. Oh, I see. I guess there's a little. Mine's a little more. Oh, are you using the toolkit volume profile?
No,
You're using the session volume profile.
I'm using the anchored volume profile.
Oh, maybe that's why. To the 930?
Yeah.
Politics says a lot of fiscal stimulus is coming. Will be expansive for the economy, but will put pressure on inflation.
Nope. Still get it at the top. That's interesting. Later, assassin. God damn it.
Politics says if inflation moves the wrong way and starts to rise, the Fed will have to have rate hikes on the table. So again, that's politics saying if inflation moves the wrong way and starts to rise, the Fed will have to have rate hikes on the table. The politics saying we must consider rate hikes if inflation were to move up.
CVD on ES. It's been going down since that spike. It's been fading.
Yeah.
A lot of selling, but it's holding up. So that means I'm assuming there's a lot of passive buyers up here holding this thing up. Only makes sense. Doing good, Jake. I blew a Apex account because of Tradovate issues. That was a good time. You missed that. That was fun. I did hit to profit target $1,000 in a top one direct to funded account. So that's good. I don't know. We'll find out, Abdullah. We will find out.
They're going to push through the pretty blue line.
They used to fix that
The
stuff
storm?
all the time. Anytime there was an issue, they would just reset everybody's account. They don't do that much anymore because every time it happens, people start YOLOing their accounts, expecting it to be reset. Those were the days. It was a simpler time.
Come on, ES. Just go through it.
I think it's going up. Tickets say yes. And so does the delta. There it is.
Well,
I think it's going to go through it. We'll see.
15 more points. 15 more points. Let's go. Come on, NQ. You can do it.
Good job, Andy. Well done, sir. Happy Friday to you. All right. Thanks, Phil C.
There we go. Thank you.
Told you. Told you it was happening.
Just trying to scalp the strength. A little bit of pullback long.
Strength looks good.
Off the value area high.
It's the first real move on the delta, and yes.
Yep. Thought about setting my target to IB high, but I figured I'd settle for monthly VWAP.
Release the tickers.
Oh yeah. David, you need pivots on that chart. All right. Just chunking away. Try and get this Tradovate freezing shit out of the way. It's good that was a target.
Yeah.
So coming back to a pivot here. But ES is dropped below the monthly, below the composite low volume node. NQ sitting on the R1 right now. The only reason I bring it up is because it was significant resistance at 1010. And then it was the rejection point for 1022, 4, and 6. There's the back test. And up it goes. Set your watch by it almost. 25027. Will we get the follow through to the Madonna?
Stay tuned. Sure feels like it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Well, ES has its pivot right there at 69.11. and it's working to get a close above it and push through it. But value area high on my volume profile is what, 69.13 1/4. So we're bumping up against value area high on ES, above it on NQ. If it breaks out, it could do it with volume. RSI says we are set up for a fade. Yep. Video evidence. That's what I expected.
They want video evidence?
Yep. Logger says top one is asking for video evidence.
Out of here. Did I flip over and record it? Because I record. I don't usually just record my actual. That's what we're gonna have to start doing. We're gonna have to just start recording.
Yep. OBS. Record your screen. Record your DOM. Because as of yesterday, after yesterday's group coaching, we are all trading on the DOM. I say that a little tongue in cheek. Dash cams, sure.
Dash cams.
Yeah, strap a GoPro to your head. See? Do you see it? Would you look at it? It's right there.
Put your computer station in the garage and then pull your car up with its dash cam up to the computer.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, then you'll need a video of you wearing the camera. There's Madonna. Who's in?
Only on NQ, right? Yeah.
Only on NQ. But RSI is setting up for both. I don't want to talk anybody out of it, but they are buying that up. Just protect your positions.
Protect your position.
That makes me think of Autobots. Roll out. Oh, what a freaky Friday.
OPEX.
I had to do this shit on a Friday? Come on, man.
Leave it to Friday.
Well, that's to be expected, Anthony. New highs.
The stocks extend gains with the Nasdaq up 1%.
So is this the grind up and out of here? Was that pivot back test at 927? Was that the one that I sat here and I said, that looks good, and I didn't click the button, and now it's 75 points up? Come on, Chuck.
Yeah, get with the program, Chuck.
Well, I am calm. It's just, you know, I'm
I'm
I'm effing calm, damn it. No, I just and I don't know if you address it in the book, but sometimes, you slump your shoulders and you're like, dang it, that didn't work out, and then you feel all, you wallow a bit over what happens, and then you're not dialed in, you're not focused, and you miss things that are, if you stayed in the game. That's one of the things that I specifically worry about. I need to work on. I don't worry about it. So I'll be like, oh man, and then I'll step back, lose it.
Very grindy. Very grinding.
Let's see, what time are we going to have the upper band that matches up with IB high? Let's see, is that going to be around 12:22? Might be sooner than that. 11:56. Who knows? Madonna incoming on ES. There's a ways to go up there. That's almost a 200, Jake. Right, the R2 is up there at 192.75. That is the trade that I'm waiting for. I mean, you've heard me talk about 25-200 before. You look at, I guess that's not so much on the composite, but that is the top of. Remember last Thursday when it sold off? We had a whole bunch of one-sided auction of just sell, sell, sell. That's the top of that one-sided auction. Just above 25-200 is where there was the last of the two-sided auction in the upper part of this range. Oh, it's so reasonable. I mean, it's like clockwork. We'll talk about this in the market recap, but looking at ES, IB low, IB high, creates the IB mid, is halfway in between. Where did we pull back from the monthly VWAP? Right back, just tapped on IB mid. That was a half back long. Right there. And it's not, I guess, an official halfback because it overshot it twice before that. But still, it's a 50% level. ES above value area high. We're way up there. Even the 15-minute RSI is almost up at the green bar at the top. ES anchored VWAP from all-time high is there at 69.2950. Fun fact.
Seems like it wants to test that low, that high.
Oh, that's not good, Shelley.
What happened?
I have never traded wealth charts.
I tried it once. I couldn't stand it. Maybe it's just because I wasn't used to it. I didn't give it good
All right,
enough of
Tony.
I didn't give it a fair shake.
You've passed the evaluation.
Tony!
Congratulations. Ba-boom. The crowd goes wild.
Wish I had a soundboard.
You need another stream deck. I don't think it can
I have
pump
enough
it
empty
through
buttons to
OBS,
add
though.
one, but how do I get the sound to come out through the Discord? How do I get the stream?
Yeah.
Where's the button, guys? How do I make the sound of my stream come out through the Discord? Come on. Yeah, there's no way, Jake. I'm not that. No, it's not a boost thing. They're in the voice channels. They're not on the stage. But there's a way of piping my stream sound. I've done it before because you guys were all heard my tick strike, and then I had to turn it off because everybody was some people were complaining about it. Remember that? Remember that? No, the question is, David, how do I get my sound from my computer to come out on Discord? That video, I know how to add sound effects and put it on my stream deck, but I want my sound to come through the Discord. That's the problem. I know there's a button for it and I can't seem to find it and I don't know why.
Yeah, any of the Discord articles, they just talk about voice channels. Nothing specific about stages.
Generally, used for a new trader line to strengthen multilateral standards.
I don't know.
And the grind has begun.
The grind has begun. Is it only 11 o'clock? Is it,
It
is
is
it just me, or is the morning going like super slow?
very, very, very slow with a lot of grindage.
The grindage. You know who used to say that?
Buddy.
Paulie Shore. That's right, buddy. Some grindage. He still does stand up, that guy. Amazingly. Trying to be wheezing on your grindage, buddy. You know who also has a Instagram channel that is like absolutely awful? Napoleon Dynamite. You guys remember him?
Oh
He's
my
still
goodness.
trying to live out that fame on his Instagram, and it's really bad. If you want to see like,
I bet.
if you want to see some like really sad material, go watch him. It's like a car accident. You can't pull away. You're just like, wow, this is so bad. You don't think that's the real guy? I guess that's possible. That's exactly why he's getting views. It's the length too. You just sit there and watch it. It's like, God. Building a distribution. We're building a distribution.
But it's going down. It's going down, Chris.
It is going down. It's a fact. But in grindy situations, that stuff gets bought up generally really fast. So we'll see. That LVN was bought up. Microstructure wins
Yeah.
the day. Could still fade more. I don't know. We'll see.
ES coming up short on Madonna. She did not take the stage yet over on the ES festival.
No, she did not. Was bought up again.
Parliament Trade Committee to meet on Monday on the US trade deal.
Back down.
Ew.
Zoop. Ducka ducka ducka.
They're quiet. They're tired after this morning.
Yeah, they got run over. Oh, you mean the pre-market?
Yeah. What a day. What a day. What a
What
day.
a day.
Be watching that 69.10.50 and the 69.08.75 on ES.
Ducka, ducka, ducka.
Nice, Sam.
Wonderful, Sam.
Get it.
Clearly didn't have the same problems
Get
with
it.
Apex I had or Tradovate. Good for you. Very choppy here. At least on ES.
The duckers have arrived.
Ducka, ducka, ducka. I'm gonna make that noise. I get reports from Xfinity on how much data I use.
Yeah.
Guess how much data I used?
13 gig.
13 gigs
Yeah.
for the whole month.
130.
The whole month of
130
January. The whole month of January. How many gigs did I use in this house?
1.5 T.
It's actually not that far off. 1,100 gigabytes. 1,100 gigabytes. So 1.1 terabyte. Yeah. Between all the streaming and the data from these computers. It would have been a good giveaway question. I just realized that.
Close, but not to the ticker.
Not to the ticker.
Trump says that he has to do something about the courts.
LJ, there is one built into Discord, but it doesn't work on the stage channel.
Yeah, that's the
It
problem.
works on the voice channels, like the NQ and ES trading rooms or the trading lounge. Works in there, but not here.
Yeah, you're not allowed to use
How
that
was your
feature in the
pullback?
stage.
88 was the number. Didn't come all the way back to IB high. Is that just a back test to the high volume node?
It might be. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? I mean, price is just going sideways. It has been for a while now. So ducka, 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 ducka.
Says they have no comment on the tariff court rule.
Dip our toe below IB high.
There she blows. I think we're going down now for the foreseeable future. Okay. BDC long?
It's hitting right now on ES.
I know.
Nope, it's going right through.
Right through it. Back test.
Could be. That could just be an overshoot on ES.
We're gonna have Mustafa do him with his the sounds with his mouth. Mustafa, trombone noise. Slide whistle. Chuck went long.
Yeah. Wah, 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 wah.
All right.
I actually just went. There's
went-
the upper band right at the pivot. I did go long on the upper band. ES is at the weekly upper band. See if we can get a big swing to the upside. What do you say? Whee! Have this one be the run up.
Okay.
Doesn't feel like it wants to go yet, though.
I mean, it was definitely a good long spot. Point of control and weekly. But good for just a scalp? I don't know. That's the real question. That's the
Yeah.
real question.
I'm scratched.
Now it'll go.
Now it'll go. Ah, there you go.
We just needed to get Chuck out first.
I'm not laughing as much as you are. Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Got explicatives all loaded up, ready to go. That
It's my new soundboard.
is this the RTV back test on ES? Thought we already did that.
Deja vu.
Flip short.
Perfect, Allie. Apparently, we all need to be recording. That looked like a back test, didn't it?
Yep, I flipped short.
Didn't it?
I'm up. Up 10 points. 15. Can you give me 20? Can you give me 20? Go for
Right here,
20
20 out of
here.
here, 20 out of 901, 901 and a half, 901.
Go. We got 20. It hit that composite low volume node. Are you gonna come all the way back on me now? Sure are, aren't you?
Sure are.
Sure are. Another push down, another push down. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go now.
Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
There we go. Drive. Drive, duckers, drive.
Nice, Anthony. Great work. Ducka, ducka, ducka. -11 on the duckas. That's some serious ducka. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up here. Inner Circle, we're going to meet in 10 minutes in the Inner Circle room to go over trades. Get your trade submissions in now. We'll review them in the huddle. Everybody, it's been wonderful trading with you this week. We're using 6. What are we using? 6. I'm going to look back. This Saturday, we have class with Mustafa, right? We're still doing class this Saturday, Mustafa?
Yep.
Wonderful. Class with Mustafa, 12 p.m. New York time. For anybody that can make it. Oh, nope. No class with Mustafa. Don't make it.
We need
No
one.
class.
I can probably do one.
It's up to you.
Oh, it happened again, Chris.
Yeah. Scratch you out
Scratch
and went.
and then it goes.
You might be a little too aggressive on the scratch.
Well, I mean, I'm down $750 on the morning, so start to get a little bit protective
Oh, that's
on
right.
that capital.
Mustafa's doing a London meetup for all the UK traders. Isn't that cool? I hope you guys have a really nice time. Take some photos for the group. We'd love to see the photos like you guys did last time. That's always fun.
Chris, you want me to do an orientation tomorrow at noon?
Yeah, if you can. Yeah, if you're
I
going to be
can.
around, you don't mind. We're doing a meetup in Florida, March 3rd in Fort Lauderdale. I'm going to be with a couple of well-known traders, Austin Silver, Tanner Owens, Clay Hodgins, the CEO of Top One Futures. Zach will be there, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Come join us for that. If you're interested in attending this, guys, send me a DM and I'll get you the RSVP link. So you can come join that. It's free. So come join us for
Yeah.
that. We have a bunch of great prop firm deals. This is also in the announcements. Top One doing 60% off. Lucid doing 50% off. Apex Trader Funding doing 90% off, guys. Pick those up before they go away. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. We'll be back on Sunday for 5 p.m. Q&A. Chuck sounds like he's going to be doing a class with you guys on Saturday at noon.
Yep. And tonight at 4:30, it's happy hour. Happy hour market recap. Fridays, 4:30.
Market recap. Join the happy hour. While Mustafa's out gallivanting around, socializing, we'll stay back and do the work. It's all right. It's cool, Mustafa. No worries.
Yeah.
We got it.
Yeah, we got his back.
Yeah. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk. Stay sharp. If you want to keep on trading, head on over to the voice channels. You can share your mic, share your screens. You can collaborate with your other fellow VWAP Wave System traders, monitor the market. Maybe you could just watch, maybe trade in a simulator, continue to learn, ask questions. Great place to go after the stream. All right, guys, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see everybody on Sunday or on Monday for the next live stream. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Chris. See ya.
Thanks, Chuck.